Kebabs are something that we usually enjoy a lot. Today's recipe is a nice Hara Bhara Kabab. Let's get started and check out the recipe. First step is to pressure cook the potatoes. Add enough water. So I've taken 4 medium-sized potatoes, cut them into half, add a little salt. Pressure cook for about 3 to 4 whistles until done. Mash the potatoes, keep them aside. Next, I'm going to cook the green peas. I have 1 cup of fresh green peas. Turn off the stove and remove the peas. The next step is to blanch some palak leaves. So I have a few palak leaves, about half bunch. Wash it. Once the water starts boiling, just gently drop them into the hot water. Turn off the stove. Strain the palak leaves and cool them. So take a mixer jar. To this add 3 green chilies and a piece of ginger. I'm going to add the cooked peas. Keep a few aside and add the remaining to the mixer jar. Now add the blanched palak. Add a few fresh coriander leaves. Add a pinch of salt. I've pulsed it a few times, don't grind it too fine. I'm going to add a few spice powders to the mashed potato, starting with half teaspoon of Garam Masala powder, half teaspoon Chaat Masala powder, half teaspoon Amchur Powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, a little salt. Now add the ground mixture. To this add 1 tablespoon of gram flour or besan. So to this I'm also going to add the remaining cooked peas. Now mix everything together. Now we're going to make the kebabs. I'm going to make a corn flour mixture. For this take about 3 teaspoons of corn flour. Add a little water. Mix it till it's completely dissolved. Take a little bit of the kebab filling. Make small patties. Dip them into the corn flour mixture. Roll them onto the breadcrumbs. And keep it aside. Now I'm going to start frying the kebabs. Take a pan, add a little oil. So we're going to shallow fry this. Once the oil is hot, gently place the patties onto the pan. Fry them on medium flame. Once you have a nice golden brown color on one side, flip them over to the other side. The kebabs have a nice golden brown color on both sides. Now I'm going to remove the kebabs and place them aside. You can enjoy this Hara Bhara Kabab either with some nice spicy mint chutney or with some tamarind sweet chutney by the side. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.